Hello everyone, I'm Marcel Klasen, and I've been chosen to do two presentations at the 2024 National Guild of Hypnotists Convention in Marlborough, Massachusetts, from August 10th to August 12th. I'm very excited to teach my very unique 2-hour workshop called Hypnosis as Mind Medicine, Cell Healing for the Advanced Hypnotist. In this class, I will not only explain to you how hypnosis can heal on a cell level, I will also teach you specific techniques to let go of irregular physical and emotional patterns. You will also learn how to protect your own personal energy and your mental emotional health by using my 7-step shielding method. If you work with clients with complex health issues such as chronic pain, autoimmune problems, cancer, or deep emotional trauma, this workshop is perfect for you. Or if you want to take your practice to an advanced level while keeping your own health and well-being steady, you're going to get a whole lot of value from this workshop. My other class is a 1-hour presentation called Quick Reset Hypnosis. It's the latest super fast hypnosis method. I've created a rapid 3-step technique for a powerful mind shift. I will teach you how to instantly reboot the autopilot of the mind. You will also learn why general positive affirmations do not work long term. And you will learn what an aha is and how to use it fast and effectively with all your clients or on yourself. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you in August. And in the meantime, make life amazing.